Hello, everybody. I recently got the Frontier Go Wild Pass, the summer season pass till September. So, with this pass, I think I'm about to try and see how many really cheap flights I can take and then also make the destination super cheap. That I'll make it as cheap as possible and try to spend the least amount of money on every trip to see how you could really budget, a good trip. So here we go. I'm about to book the flight from Indianapolis to Las Vegas. And so this is something that I had to figure out on my own pretty much, but in order to use the Go Wild Pass, you have to have it on one way. And you could also actually pick dates that aren't tomorrow. They say that it had to be tomorrow, but sometimes they have ones that are really cheap that aren't tomorrow. You just kind of have to check them all out. So here we are. Go Wild Pass, $16. So tomorrow I can fly to Las Vegas to Indianapolis for 16 bucks. How about that? The flight is a straight through flight. 6:49. Landing about 8 o'clock in Vegas. Let's pick that. Says I saved $332. Continue. We're gonna go basic. I'm just bringing a bag. I already got the Go Wild Pass, so don't need that. Just gonna continue on here. Alright, I don't know what just happened. Alright, I figured it out now. I just wasn't logged in. Make sure you're logged in before you try to do the Go Wild Pass if you got it. But there we go, 1541. That's even cheaper than it said $16. So 1541. Let's go add the other flight. Now it gives you the choice to add bags or whatever. Here's what it would cost you if you wanted to do any of your bags. It's pretty much the same as most places. Alright, let's book my flight. $30.82.